Hello and welcome to Tech Edify. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to protect your Excel file with a password. Maybe there is a file or an Excel file that you want to set a password, meaning that whenever someone tries to open the Excel file, it will demand for a password. Now, if you want to set a password on your Excel file or encrypt it with a password, this is what you do. Make sure that you have opened your Excel file in the Excel application. Now, after you are done, you just have to go to the file menu. Now, when you come to the file menu, then you come to the info here. And when you come to the info, then you see protect workbook. So just tap on it and then you see encrypt with password. These are other ways that you can protect your Excel file. And that is to make it only a read-only file. But here, I want to see how the password is done. So I'll just hit on the encrypt with password. Here, you have to enter the password that you want to use to protect your Excel file. So let me just put a simple password here. All right, so when you finish, you hit on OK, and then it will ask you to confirm the password again. All right, so when you are done and you say OK, that means this workbook has been protected. And when you are done, let me just save the changes, and now let me just close it. So now we have protected our Excel file with a password. Now let me just open the file and see whether it will ask for a password. So I'll go to the file directory. Right, so now let me open the file and then let's see if it will ask for a password. And when you double click on it, and then it's asking you for a password. So it tells you that this file has been protected. And if I enter a wrong password, or maybe someone is trying to access the file, doesn't have an authorized, the moment the person hit OK, it will not allow the person to see the content. So let me put in the right password and let's see. All right, so it has been opened successfully. So that is how you can use to protect your Excel file. This helps and make it more secure to certain document that contains vital information that you want other people not to have access to it. So try it and let's see. If you have any challenges, please put it in the comment section. And don't forget to share this video and also give it a thumb up. Now try to watch another video of mine. See you in the next video.